This tiny gadget claims to do something incredible for your bike's security, but does it really? Let's dive into the NineLeaf bike alarm with remote. If you've ever worried about your bicycle, motorcycle, or e-bike being stolen, this could be your new best friend. It's not just for bikes either. The product description mentions you can even use it on doors and windows for an extra layer of security. What really sets this alarm apart is its versatility. It's packed with a motion sensor and a remote control, making it a powerful anti-theft device. The vibration-triggered alarm is designed to sound immediately if anyone tries to tamper with your ride. And the sensitivity is a game-changer. With 7 adjustable levels, you can fine-tune it from detecting a gentle nudge to a more forceful push, which is fantastic for reducing those annoying false alarms you might get from wind or passing traffic. Durability is another strong point. Made from PC and UV-resistant material, it's built to withstand the elements. It's IP65 waterproof and dustproof, and can handle temperatures from -4 all the way up to a scorching 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you're caught in a downpour, a snowstorm, or a heat wave, this alarm should keep working. Charging is done via USB-C, which is convenient, and the battery life is impressive. A single full charge is supposed to last a long time, meaning your bike stays protected around the clock without you constantly worrying about recharging. Installation is surprisingly easy with 3 different methods: clamping, strapping, and adhesive. This means it should fit on pretty much any frame, regardless of shape or size, and it stays securely fastened. It's a really comprehensive solution for keeping your valuable 2-wheeled transport safe. Overall, the NineLeaf bike alarm seems like a robust and adaptable security solution for a wide range of vehicles and even home use. It offers peace of mind with its adjustable sensitivity and all-weather durability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.